Bakit ako lang ang kakanta rito? Dapat pakantahin din natin yung mabisita natin. Gusto mo si Miss Reggie Magno? Ah, si Ricky Davao. Pakantahin natin, talaga. Hindi, isa na. Let's give applause to Mr. Ricky Davao. Ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Imagine there's no heaven.
It's easy if you try.
No hell below us.
Baba's only sky.
Imagine all the people
Living for today. Imagine there's no country. It isn't hard to try to do.
nothing to kill or die for.
I know really to do. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us in the world only this one.
Imagine no possessions.
I wonder if you can.
No need for greed or hunger.
Brotherhood of the man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us in the world is
Mabuhay si Manny! Mabuhay ang Pinoy!
buhay ang bagong kasal. More pa daw, more pa. More pa daw. One more. One more. Sandali, ikaw. Solo, solo.
Solo. Nako ah. Okay.
Yari kayo ngayon, sisiprayin nyo to.
Ano?